Hey guys, welcome back to Louis and Josiah channel. I'm Louis.
Wait, I'm out of money.
Josiah. And that's his cousin Ryan right there. He's clearly spilling his icy.
Hey!
You're clearly spilling your icy everywhere.
Shut up.
But you're the one who's talking a lot. We might be doing guess the sound challenge. Yeah, let's do the guess the sound challenge. You have to guess the sound that I'm making. So I have to make 5 sounds, and then this is how it goes. I have to make 5 sounds, and Josiah has to guess the sound. Like for example, if I make a seal sound, if I make a seal sound and he guesses it wrong, he loses a point. Every time he gets it correct, it's 2 points. So, hold on.
Wait, look, they moved all the way down there. The people who sell.
Hold on, guys.
They moved all the way down there.
I'm still here, though. Alright. The camera's all set up. Alright.
Wait. I don't know the name of it. Still, I know it, but I just can't remember the name.
You got 10 seconds to think. 10, 9, 8. Oh, guys, I have my slippers on. I'll take my slippers.
I don't remember.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2. It was a dolphin. Funny story too. I was making that sound while we were in the computer lab, and my friend. Well, shout out to her. Her name is Liana, in PS72.
And she's ugly.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Why she want you?
Don't say that. If she ever see this video, she gonna try to find you and slap you.
That grease stuff is hard to take out the side.
What, the turf?
Yeah.
That's what I even made new friends too.
But when is she gonna see me? If I say shout out something, Alright.
What is she gonna do?
It was dolphin. Yeah, let me finish my story while he interrupted me.
It's my YouTube channel, so.
And mine. I'm the one who made it. I'm the one who made it. I'm the one who made it.
Barely.
No. You begged me to make it. You said, oh, I want.
You said you to make this.
You said
I asked you
our
after
first
the fight.
video, before our first video. You was like, let's make a YouTube channel. Let's make a YouTube channel. You know how to make it. You know how to make it. Make it. All right, let me finish my story. Like I was saying, guys, we was in the computer lab in my school at the end of the day.
Ugly school.
You don't even know what it looked like. No, I kept on making sounds, and the teachers kept on getting mad at me. Everyone was laughing because it was funny.
God, don't trust him.
Trust me, cause my friend even knows herself. Alright, I'm gonna do another sound.
Well, can't touch these. A dog.
Nope.
A werewolf.
No. Yes, you got it right.
No, he's not playing.
I know he's not playing.
A wolf.
You got it.
A wolf.
Yeah.
Wait, I got one. Ryan, you're not playing. You're missing it.
Ryan, come here. Alright. Come on this way.
Oh, so he's just gonna ask you for
And the next one we're gonna do the talkie challenge.
Oh my!
You're gonna have wait.
Yeah! Good job, Ryan. Go!
Ryan, what are you doing?
Go, Ryan, and go.
Tim was going like this was icy.
I was just throwing this away.
While you were squirting it.
Listen, just.
You're weirdo.
All right, come on now. I don't.
Alright, it's a little bit dirty right here. a Nike part.
Cat.
Okay, that's 3.
People have a crush on me. Hey, otter.
It's not that.
Otter.
Stay still.
Doggy.
Nope. How was it a
A
dog?
donkey goes like, Wait,
It
can I
is a
do one
weirdo.
after this? Just one?
I'm gonna check those videos.
If you let us do the challenge.
No.
And this is gonna be. Okay,
I'm gonna check
fine.
those videos.
Wait,
You understand me?
What the heck? This looks like pee.
It's rap.
I'm Mr. Lewis. I'm gonna check those videos
Alright.
to hear what you're saying behind my back.
I didn't say what.
Pay attention.
I was telling them the story.
What the heck is this?
You don't like it?
Want to taste it? You legit have to taste that.
They're cousins, so it's fine.
No.
Don't think
Lick it.
they're dating because they're actually not.
Oh, this is good.
Right, he's your cousin, Josiah?
Yeah, it's good.
Right, he's your cousin?
Yo, I'm. Wait, it actually looks like it though.
Guys, look at this. Oh, look at
This
this.
looks like pee. I
So-
think this is pee.
Listen, wait. Lewis is so annoying. And listen,
Don't believe him.
friend
Wait.
is so annoying.
Wait.
Liana, you're not annoying. Don't believe
Shout
him.
out to Amari. Let's,
Amari, you're stupid.
Amari's smarter than me, so
Yeah, he's just a little 3rd grader.
he's not no 3rd grader. He's a 4th grader.
Little 4th grader. Wow.
I'm going to 4th grade.
So, also, he is so nice, better than Mr. Lewis.
Don't believe him. He looks like Momo when he did
Oh
that.
my god! I can hear you from over here.
Why would you do that?
All right, let's finish. Family friendly content, whatever it's called. I don't care.
Shut the effing up.
All right. One more sound because you already did 4.
Okay.
Oh, you doing the last one? Come on.
Give me that!
Out of bag.
Give me that!
I'm putting it over
Dad.
here. I was just putting it over here. Come over here. Come over here.
And you're gonna think
You're gonna guess the sound.
you're gonna think he's going to forget it, and you're gonna take it home. And then when your dad asks,
I'm actually
where
never
you
gonna
got that
forget it.
from, you're gonna say that he gave it to you.
Let's talk about the tacos.
I know the tricks.
You don't eat that.
Yes, I do. I started eating it.
I even
I'm
remember me
serious.
as a baby.
It tastes good.
Listen, don't try.
Hey, look what I
Come
got.
on, guys, switch.
Can we try one? Try the spicy one though.
Hey, guess it. I can guess. This is the hardest one.
Tastes good?
Yes. Guess it.
Hey, best friend. Oh, she can hear.
I don't know.
Do you get
So,
Yeah, I give
listen,
Do you get
my cousin Ryan Shaw, he is so annoying. Sometimes he can be on a pain.
We're just eating this.
Listen, it has pepper. It is so good. It is healthy for you.
This red stuff
It's
is
so
hot.
healthy for you.
No, it's not.
healthy.
It has
It's
hot
healthy.
sauce.
It's healthy for you.
Joe is not healthy.
Don't say that about YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm gonna check those
What
videos.
did I say? Huh?
So Lewis, let's continue. Oh, you come.
Also, I just can't use it today, but tomorrow I can.
No, you can use it all day, all night, all day, all night, all day, all night, and it goes like that. Yeah.
You said one. You said only one. So.
No, only. I think we're sleeping over by your house. I'm gonna ask I'm gonna ask Mom, okay? 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 Oh,
Dad, did you know I made 2 new friends already?
who? In this park?
Yeah, over here.
Which park? Who?
I met them over there, and then I moved over.
Why do you always do that? Sometimes you
what?
could be like me. Yes. Sometimes I'll go yes. But oh my God, Ryan.
What?
And then when Sean pulled out his belt and beat me,
For what?
guys.
Oh, because
Guys,
This is hot sauce. Right here. It's red. Oh,
Look.
I just hit the camera.
Oh, tell me why.
This red stuff is hot sauce. It's not really. It's not
One,
really
I
spicy.
said. I don't mean like one bag, one bottle. You said one. I meant the whole bag.
It looks like a tire. I'm just missing a piece. That's Josiah left. Not left, but he went somewhere real quick. Oh, hold on, guys.
Hold on.
Not to get Josiah. I have to wait from here.
Yup. I'm not going nowhere.
Dads be like, I'm wearing a new sweater. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this hot sauce. Oh yeah, guys. It's not even that spicy. Yeah, guys. Like I was saying. Hold up. Looking for the right chip. This is the longest video on our channel that we ever made.
Right there.
I was actually saying that because while I'm recording, it says right here. I'm not gonna show it, but it says right here while I'm recording, 14 minutes and 2 seconds. You know, I'm being honest. I hate hot sauce because it's too spicy for me. But it's really not spicy. It's not spicy at all. But it's good. Still waiting for Josiah. Hold on. Now it says 14 minutes and 54 seconds. Hold on.
I'm not gonna